the Magic Box. Hi, I'm Avik and welcome to the Magic Box, where I'm going to break all the laws, even the laws of science. Thought I was bluffing? Today I have in store for you different kinds of magic surrounding liquids like water and milk. For my first trick, I'm going to enchant a glass of water so it ceases to obey the laws of gravity and instead obeys the laws of Avik. Cool, na? But first, I need a drink. Now for my amazing anti-gravity water trick. I have with me normal water, a normal glass and this normal handkerchief. The only thing odd about it is that it's clean. First, I have to enchant this handkerchief with magical properties. Simsalabim abracadabra alakazoo presto! And it's done. Now, it's an anti-gravity handkerchief. First, I'm going to drape the handkerchief over the glass and I'm going to just push it in a little. That's about enough. Now I'll just pour some water into the glass. I finished pouring the water and it has seeped through the handkerchief. Now I'll just hold it around the edges tightly and work my magic. Alakazam, alakazoo, I now cast a spell on you! It seems to be working. I can feel the magic energy flowing through it. Now let's see if it's working. And there we go. See that? My amazing anti-gravity water trick. But you must be thinking that there's something up with the water. Maybe it's some kind of trick water? Well, nope. You're wrong. Perfectly normal, clear drinking water.
जानना चाहते हो कैसे काम करता है?
To do this trick, all you really need is what I showed you before. Water, a glass and a handkerchief. Now, what you have to do is first, hold the handkerchief over the glass and push it slightly in. Then, you pour water as I did into the glass and be sure to wet the entire center of the handkerchief like that. Remember, it is very important that this entire portion of the handkerchief becomes very wet. Now, after the water has seeped through the handkerchief, you make it very, very tight, like so. People would think that since you poured water through the handkerchief, it could come back out the handkerchief. But this is not true, because when you stretch it very tightly, then the holes in the handkerchief almost disappear, and the tiny holes that remain are covered by a thin membrane of water formed by the molecules of water bonding together. This is called surface tension. But you have to be very careful to turn it around very nimbly, and you shouldn't move the glass around too much, otherwise the surface tension will break and all the water will fall through. Should I show it to you once? Like this. Be sure to keep your hand there for a few seconds to ensure that the handkerchief has been secured, and then remove your hand very quickly so that the little bit of water that comes on your hand is hidden from the audience. And that's how you do my amazing anti-gravity water trick. I love science and art. Quite the renaissance man, I know. You might be wondering, how is this related to magic? Well, it may not be related to ordinary magic, but with my magic, I can transform even the most mundane objects into beautiful works of art. Even mundane objects like presto! Milk. Yeah, I know you all must fuss over drinking milk. I do too sometimes. But gone are the days of milk being ordinary. Now, enter Avik and I'm going to make this milk beautiful, artistic and, of course, magical. I'm feeling a little artistic today, so I'll show you how to do some art with magic. First, I need to set my canvas, which will be provided by milk. Here we go. It's like a nice sheet of paper. But how will I create my magic? Earbuds. Don't worry, I'm not going to clean my ears in front of you or anything. I'm not that disgusting. These are going to be my brushes. Wondering what I'm talking about? Just wait a minute. And now I'm still missing something. Yeah, the colors. And that will be provided by food coloring. So first I have some red. Now some yellow. Yeah, that sounds nice. And I think it's missing something. What about some blue? And now I'll dip my brush in my magic potion and I'll get to work. Ah, amazing, isn't it? And there we have it. I've created art with magic. That was really amazing, wasn't it? It looked really cool. But you want to know what I used to do it? I used some milk, some food coloring which you can get at any store, and my secret potion was just ordinary dishwasher soap. Thank you, thank you. I know, I love doing magic with such mundane everyday objects. So, the science behind it is this. When I dip the earbud in my secret dishwasher soap and then dip it in the milk, the dishwasher soap reduced the surface tension of the milk, and this caused the colors to swirl around in crazy swirls and make amazing art. Isn't it awesome how magical science is? You don't really need to know the science behind it to do the tricks, but I just think it's really cool to know that too. Ah, this juice is really refreshing. But since this is a liquid based episode, I'm wondering if maybe I can get it to do something more. Like, maybe I can make my magazine drink it. That sounds exciting, doesn't it? But first I'll have to go back to the recesses of my lab and do some R&D on that. But don't go anywhere, I'll get right back to you. And now I'm back from research at my amazing magic lab, and I'm going to show you, for the first time ever, unique to this show, my orange juice drinking magazine. First, let me introduce you to the magazine. See, it's just a normal, ordinary magazine. Nothing odd about this magazine. Completely normal, completely readable magazine. But I'm going to make it drink some orange juice. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a sort of funnel. Like that, there we go. To give it sort of a mouth to drink with. Next, I'm going to do some enchantments. Abracadabra, alakazoo, I now cast a spell on you, oh mighty orange drinking magazine, work your magic! And let it begin. First, I'll just pour a little bit of orange juice inside, because it doesn't seem too thirsty. That's just about enough. Wondering if it's gonna leak? Nope, nothing coming out of the bottom. And if you think there are any other shenanigans going on, well, you're wrong. See? Nothing going here. Just a normal magic orange drinking magazine. But now I'm feeling just a tad bit thirsty. So I'm gonna try to get back that orange juice. Let's see if it works. And there you have it. My amazing magic orange juice drinking magazine. So, do you want to know how it's done? Now, to reveal the deep, dark secret behind my amazing orange juice drinking magazine. All I needed for this, besides my magazine and orange juice, was tape. You can use any tape, but I used masking tape, scissors, and a plastic bag with the top cut off. Now, you have to make sure that the plastic bag is of a smaller width than the magazine itself. Next, what I do is, I open my magazine to a center page, and there I stick my plastic bag. I've already done one in advance, and it looks like this. Be sure to leave little ends on the side when you stick it, so that you can make a slight pouch where you can pour the orange juice. Next, you make a funnel with the magazine. Ooh. And you can use this as an excuse to open up the pouch like that, so that you can pour in the orange juice. And that's pretty much all the preparation you need for the trick. Then it's just the theatrics. Then you pour a little bit of orange juice into the magazine and proclaim that your magazine has drunk the orange juice. Now you can pass your hand under the magazine to prove to the audience that there is nothing leaking through. Now open up the magazine to show to the audience that there's no trickery here. And then, as a finale, you can pour the orange juice back into the glass. Like so. Amazing, isn't it? And there you have it. My secret has been revealed. Presto! Shazam! Well, there are no rabbits coming out of this hat. I guess I'll just stick to my carrots. Today's episode really showed that even a little bit of creativity can make even ordinary objects magical. The tricks were simple, yet very, very interesting. Anyway, see you next time on the Magic Box, where there'll be many, many great eye-popping tricks. Till then, adios.